How to go from chasing to attracting fast. And when you do, they will chase you. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers. Here's my thought. Wouldn't you like to have the one that you desire chasing you rather than you sitting around waiting for them to call you, text you, write you, chase you, and then you end up chasing them? It doesn't make any sense, does it? At the core of all of this, at the very heart of this energy of chasing or allowing them to chase you is what we call self-identity. What is your self-identity? What do you really think about yourself? Are you worthy? Write it down below. I'd like to know that you feel worthy about yourself. If I've said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. You do not attract what you want. I know you want a lot of things. We all do. You attract what you are. That one line, the line that Wayne Dyer quoted over and over again, and really finds its origins with Neville Goddard. That one line that we attract what we are, that's the core. That's the core of your magnetism. Change that, and all of a sudden, you're no longer chasing them. They're chasing you. You see, high flyers, chasing is rooted in lack. It's rooted in almost a poverty mentality. Even if we're just talking about a relationship, we're still talking about energy. And that's what poverty is. It's a lack of energy. When you're chasing, what you're doing is you're affirming, I don't really have what I desire. I may never have what I desire. And that is what you are broadcasting. That's the frequency that you're broadcasting out into the universe. And guess what? The energy of lack repels. If you can remember that every time you think about lack, you're repelling your specific person, you're repelling whoever it is you desire to chase you. If you're checking your phone all the time, hoping, waiting, wishing for them to text you, you're operating from a position of poverty, a position of lack, a mindset of scarcity. Think about relationships. If someone desperately needs your attention, you're going to feel it, and it pushes you away. The same principle works with money or opportunities or even success. Are you in a state of desperation? Are you in a state of need? Are you living in a state of want when it comes to your relationship or even your business or even your job? Well, if you are, you have the power to change that. And instead of chasing the energy will be chasing you. Abraham Hicks has put it this way. So listen to this. This is important. The fastest way to get an improved situation is to make peace with your current situation. In other words, if you can't love where you're at now, if you can't live in a state of gratitude where you're at now, you'll never live in a state of love or a state of gratitude because you keep pushing what you desire away. So here's the paradox. The moment you stop grasping, that's the moment the energy begins to flow to you. It's like you have stepped into the vortex and the energy is flowing in your direction. The real switch from chasing to attracting is what we call an identity shift. Are you ready to make the identity shift? Ask yourself this question: who am I being right now? Do I identify as someone who's always hurting, who's a victim, who's struggling, who's being neglected, who's being ignored? Is that your identity? If it is, it's time to give it up. Maybe it's better to identify as someone who already has the love, the abundance, the prosperity that you desire, including your specific person or whatever it may be. The marriage, the new house, could be anything. Believe that you already have it, and you do. The late, great Cardinal Newman wrote, "To live is to change, and to be perfect is to have changed often." That line, that sentence from Cardinal Newman, reminds us that identity is fluid. You can always raise, change, level up your identity. You see, your identity is like the thermostat. It's like a thermostat, and it can be turned up, it can be turned down. The choice is always yours. So if you want more love, if you want more happiness, if you want more commitment, if you want more attention, if you want more abundance, don't turn up the thermostat. Don't turn up the hustle. Turn up the love. Turn up the gratitude. Turn up the joy. Turn up the self-confidence that you already have what you desire. Here's something you can do right now. Instead of asking, what do I want? Ask yourself this question: who would I be? What would I be? How would I be if I already had what I want? I'd really like to hear your comments down below, because that's what it's really about. It's about changing your identity. When you shift your self-identity, your natural magnetism rises. You don't try to attract, you are attractive energetically, emotionally, and spiritually. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is share with you 3 ways that you can increase your magnetism. First, walk, talk, and act as if you already have what you desire. What does Neville say about this? Neville Goddard: assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This isn't something that's coming or pending or hoping or wishing. You are activating the frequency of alreadiness, of already having what you desire. Second, release the resistance. Magnetism is as much about letting go and detaching as it is about leaning in. If you're always leaning in, you're kind of crowding the person, you're pushing them. And the natural inclination of most people when someone's leaning in on them is to kind of push back a little bit. That isn't what you want. So step back. Stop trying so hard to get what you want and start allowing what you've asked for to come into your life. Abraham Hicks. And third is alignment with joy. When you are lit up within, when you've got that light shining, people, opportunities, your specific person become magnetically drawn to you. They become attracted to you. And you begin to shine brighter than ever before. And the more they're attracted, the more you shine and the brighter you get. Wayne Dyer put it this way: when you dance to your own rhythm, life taps its toes to your beat. In other words, the universe and the people in the universe will start moving in your direction toward you because you are dancing your own dance. Not their dance, your dance. You see, magnetism isn't force. Put that on the screen. Magnetism isn't force, it's flow. It's not about convincing the world, it's about becoming undeniable. So the real journey, the real secret, isn't about chasing more, it's about becoming more. When you stop identifying with lack and start identifying with abundance and love and prosperity, and you can do that with gratitude all the time. And if you don't have what you want right now, you can be grateful that you'll have it soon. You see, gratitude changes your frequency, it raises your vibration and helps you become something very unique and special that people want to be around, that people chase. They will chase you literally. Remember Cardinal Newman's wisdom: to live is to change. Are you ready to change? Or are you just waiting for the third party to leave? Are you just waiting for your specific person to change? Or are you willing to make the change to become that new identity, that new person that has the love, the respect, the desire of others, including your specific person? And they're chasing you and wanting you and needing you. So today, ask yourself one question: who am I choosing to be? I'd like to hear your answer down below. Who are you choosing to be? Are you a person that attracts, that's filled with abundance and love and happiness? Or are you a person operating out of scarcity? The choice is yours. Now, I've made it easier for you. At the end of this, I've included an 8-hour audio that I'd like you to listen to while you're sleeping. And what it will do is, this audio is designed to work on your subconscious mind, to change your subconscious beliefs. And you can start expecting your wish fulfilled in the morning. So the audio is coming up next. Be sure and click it, mark it, save it, put a note somewhere to remind yourself to use it every single night. I've made this just for you. Okay, you have a great day because you deserve it. You do.